Hello guys, this is Dr. Palaniappan. What if I told you that your gut controls almost everything about your health, even your brain, your mood, your energy, your cravings, and even your risk for diseases like diabetes, autoimmune disorders, and even ADHD all come down to one thing, your gut bacteria. Sounds crazy, right? But doctors, researchers, and even ancient medicine all point to one undeniable truth. Your gut health controls everything, not even Illuminati. But you know what's the worst part? Most people have no idea their gut is damaged until it is too late. If you have ever struggled with bloating, low energy, constant cravings, or even brain fog, chances are your gut is in trouble. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you will know the shocking ways your gut controls your body, the dangerous mistakes ruining your gut health, and the exact steps to fix it before it's too late. So stick with me because this could change your health forever. Let's start with a simple fact. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, fungi, and viruses together. They make up something called the gut microbiome. Think of it as the tree of souls from Avatar, which shelters the blue aliens, but humans destroy it with parota instead of bazooka. Now you have two types of gut bacteria. Good bacteria, they digest food, produce vitamins, and keep your immune system strong. Bad bacteria that cause inflammation, weaken your digestion, and even manipulate your brain. Yes, the bad gut bacteria can literally manipulate your cravings and trick your brain into eating more sugar and junk food so that they can stay alive. Ever crave chips or sweets out of nowhere? That's not you, that's your bad gut bacteria pulling your brain strings. They are literally the honey trap laid by the bad gut bacteria to seduce your brain. Have you ever noticed how stress and anxiety hit your stomach? The reason for that is your gut-brain connection. Your gut and brain are connected through something called the gut-brain axis. This connection is so powerful that your gut can actually influence your thoughts, cravings, and emotions without you realizing it. In fact, scientists have found out that the gut constantly sends signals to the brain like a WhatsApp chat in real time. My friend Askdocpal is asking, is there a way to make the gut hide information of me eating chat items from the brain? I said, gut is loyal to brain, unlike you hiding WhatsApp chat from your wife, Tribhuva Sundari. This matters because your emotional state can affect your stomach and your gut health can impact your mood. Not just that, but 90% of serotonin, a neurotransmitter which regulates mood, is made in your gut. Also, the bacteria in your gut can affect dopamine levels which control motivation and focus. Just as Prophet Muhammad is known as the messenger of God, serotonin can be known as the messenger of the gut. My friend Askdocpal is saying that's why it is sending signal to ask biryani for Ramzan. A 2017 study found that poor gut health was directly linked to depression and anxiety, which means if your gut is imbalanced, it's not just your stomach that suffers, it's your mind too. So if you feel unmotivated, foggy, or low, it is not just in your head, it could be in your gut. Now let's talk about something even more alarming. Your gut bacteria influence chronic diseases like obesity, where some bacteria make your body store more fat. Diabetes, because a damaged gut causes insulin resistance. And heart diseases, as bad gut bacteria increase cholesterol and inflammation. Also, scientists have found a direct link between gut bacteria and memory loss. If a student forgets to write the correct answer in the exam, I suggest the staff to correct the paper with the sentence, improve your gut bacteria. One study even found that people with poor gut health had a much higher risk of developing autoimmune diseases like arthritis and multiple sclerosis. This is because 70% of your immune system lives in your gut. So when your gut is healthy, it fights off toxins, viruses, and harmful bacteria. But when it is damaged, toxins leak into your bloodstream, triggering inflammation and disease. This is called leaky gut syndrome, and I will talk about it in an upcoming video, so I don't want to leak about it now. So stay tuned. Now you might be thinking, if my gut controls everything, how did it get damaged in the first place? Let's talk about that. 50 years ago, people had much healthier gut bacteria, but that's not the case today. Studies show that most of us have lost over 50% of our gut microbiome because of modern lifestyles. Here is what destroying our gut. Sugar and additives in processed food feed bad bacteria while starving the good ones. While antibiotics sometimes necessary, they wipe out almost all bacteria, including the protective ones. Likewise, stress levels changes the gut bacteria bacteria and weakens digestion. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose have been linked to harmful gut bacteria imbalances. Your good bacteria feed on fiber, so not taking the required amount causes them to starve. 50% of gut bacteria has become extinct, like the dinosaurs, due to the asteroids of chicken nuggets, sugar, and seasoned popcorn hitting the gut. But don't worry, you can repair your gut naturally, and it is easier than you think. Fixing your gut does not mean taking expensive supplements. In fact, you can start healing it right now with these simple steps. Number 1, increase your fiber intake. Eat more vegetables, fruits, nuts, and whole grains. Remember, your good bacteria needs at least 25 grams of fiber per day to survive. Number 2, eating fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, rice kanji introduce healthy bacteria into your gut. Add this to your matrimony profile to let them know you are well cultured. Number 3, cut out processed foods and sugar. This starves the bad bacteria and lets the good ones thrive. Number 4, stay hydrated. Water keeps your gut lining strong and helps with digestion. Number 5, manage stress. Meditation, deep breathing, and exercise helps balance gut bacteria. And number 6, eat prebiotic foods like garlic, onions, bananas, and asparagus. All these feed the good gut bacteria. Number 7, try intermittent fasting, especially time-restricted feeding of not eating late at night. Studies show fasting boosts the gut bacteria diversity and reduces inflammation. Now, you don't need to do all of these at once. Just start with 1 or 2 and build from there. I said to my friend Sarano Kumar that he will be in danger if he doesn't follow these steps. He is saying, I am not in danger, da. I am the danger. Now, his health is breaking bad. Your gut is not just about digestion. It is the foundation of your entire health. So tell me, which gut healing step will you start from today? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this helpful, share this video because everyone deserves to know the truth about gut. Until next time, take care of your gut. Stay happy, stay gutsy. May God bless you.